Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Fallout 76 game not launching or won't launch issue, launching failed problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen or stuck on infinite loading screen problem, or black screen or white screen issue on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart your PC. So just restart your PC, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2. Change present interval value to 0. So open File Explorer and on the left click on Documents, then open My Games, and here you will see Fallout 76 folder. Open it, and here you will see Fallout 76 preference file. Right click on it and then select Open with Notepad. Now here look for the present interval line. Here it is. Set it to 0 and then click on File and then save it and then close it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 3 is to limit your monitor refresh rate to 60 Hz. So open Windows settings, on the left click on System, click on Display, scroll down, click on Advanced Display and choose a refresh rate next to it, select 60 Hz and then go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to modify the game launch options. So open Steam, right click on Fallout 76, select Properties. Now in the launch options, type -TX11, close the tab and then launch the game. If that doesn't work, then again go to Properties. In the launch option, type -TX12, close the tab, launch the game. If it's still not working, then again go to Properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to run the game from the game installation folder, run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to Library, right click on Fallout 76, select Manage and then click on Browse Local Files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now here double click the Fallout 76 exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab and tick mark Run this program as an administrator, hit Apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then tick mark Run this program in compatibility mode from drop down select Windows 8, hit Apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then from the drop down here select Windows 7, hit Apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. This fix has also solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If not, then check mark disable full screen optimization option as well, hit Apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes, hit Apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6. Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down, click on Manage Ransomware Protection. Click on Allow an app through control folder access. Click Yes to allow. Then click on Add an allowed app. Then click on Browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open Program Files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam Apps folder, open Common folder, open Fallout 76 folder. Now select this Fallout 76 exe file and then click on Open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on Firewall and Network Protection, click on Allow an app through firewall, then click on Change Settings, then click on Allow another app and then click on Browse. Now again go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open Program Files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam Apps folder, open Common folder, open Fallout 76 folder and then select this Fallout 76 exe file and then click on Open and then click on Add. Now in my case it is already added. Here it is, and after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark, then click on OK to save changes and then go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EACT, then you have to allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 7 is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to this AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver, so go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, here you have to enter your graphic card driver version and then select the operating system and then click on find. And you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So while making the video, the latest version is 591.86. So click on this view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue and then select custom advanced option and then hit on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you are on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version and then first click on x64 version. If you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 9 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphics settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open Fallout 76 folder. Then select this Fallout 76 exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it. Here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference, select high performance and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 10 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Fallout 76, select properties, go to the installed files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. This fix has also solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 11 is to disable overlay. So disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Fallout 76, select properties and then enable the Steam overlay while in game. So disable it and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay, launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner, click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay and then launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to delete the Fallout 76 saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the saved game progress and saved settings. So you have to keep the backup of this folder to the desktop first. So here how to do it. Open File Explorer, open C drive, open Users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view, show and check mark hidden items. Then open the app data folder, open local folder. Now here look for the Fallout 76 folder. First copy it and then go to the desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder. And then right click on it and then select delete to delete it. Then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. This fix has also solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 13 is to close conflicting or unnecessary program. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick, controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for the Afterburner, Riva Tuner, SW Info, Razor Synapse or MSI Dragon Center. Also close the OneDrive program running in the background, or if it is open, then close it from the task manager and then close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 14 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 15 is to uninstall and reinstall the game. Now if none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to uninstall the Fallout 76 game from your PC. Then just restart your PC and then reinstall the Fallout 76 game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Fallout 76 game not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, white screen or black screen issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.